Huey, where are you?
I'm here.
Let's do the video.
Yeah.
Got the big show tonight. Better brush my teeth.
Turn it off, turn it off.
Oh, right. Wasting water. All right. You know what? I'm just gonna take a nice, long, hot shower.
Turn it off, turn it off.
I haven't even turned it on yet.
Turn it off, turn it off.
They say I'm allowed at least a 5-minute shower.
Turn it off, turn it off.
Better wash this cup.
Turn it off, turn it off.
Pewee, I think what you mean in your piggy little way is that I should fill the dishwasher up to full and then run it?
My piggy little way.
Yes, your piggy little way.
Oh, well, you're right.
Thought so.
Don't waste water.
We're here at a reservoir.
A what?
A reservoir.
A reservoir.
Yes, and that's great because you're saying it with a French accent.
Wee wee.
And
Hey, what's a reservoir?
a reservoir, it's a French word that means reserving tank. Reserve tank, it's where we store the water until we need it.
Oh,
So we keep the water right there until we need it, and then they clean it. Oh, you know where you have a reserving tank? A reservoir? The back of your toilet.
wow.
Yeah, that's called a reservoir.
That's a reservoir too?
You keep the water there until you need it to flush.
Where does this water go?
This water goes to a plant and they clean it. It's a water...
Plant? You mean like these plants here?
No. It's a water treatment facility. A plant is another word for a big building, like a factory. And but this place cleans the water.
Wow.
Yeah.
How much?
They clean it a lot. They put it through filter after filter after filter, and it's crystal clear, perfectly great for drinking. The water you get in your faucet has been moving, and microbes don't grow in it as fast. And that's why it can be very much cleaner than this bottle of water here. And guess which one's more expensive?
The bottled water.
It's a lot more expensive. This cost a lot of money, but the stuff out of your faucet, less than a penny a gallon.
A penny a gallon?
Less.
I'm gonna go drink a lot of water, whole gallon.
Drink lots of water. It keeps you healthy.
Awesome.
Reservoir.
Rain is falling on the highway, rinsing car oil down my driveway. The oil is mixing with the rain, and it's all going down into the storm drain. Now let me explain about a storm drain. It's right there at your feet. It's a hole in the street. Storm drain's connected to a big pipe. Big pipe's connected to a bigger pipe. Polluted fluids flowing in motion, and it's all going down into the ocean. Down the river to the ocean. Down the river to the ocean. Now the rain is falling on my front lawn. The lawn I just put some fertilizer on. The chemicals are mixing with the rain, and it's all going down into the storm drain. Once again, I'll explain about a storm drain. It's right there at your feet. It's a hole in the street. Pesticides, fertilizer, chemicals, car oil, plastic cups, cigarette butts, even doggy doo. Ugh. Urban waste is going to the wrong place. Now you've got a good notion of what goes down into the ocean. Rain puts chemicals in motion, down the river to the ocean. Rain puts chemicals in motion, down the river to the ocean.